Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to register on the Dex-Trade Exchange. We enter the exchanges section, we click on Dex-Trade and then go to website. We enter the website, in the registration section we enter our email and after that we submit a password for our account, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and symbols plus numbers. You simply check this box for agreeing to the terms and conditions of the website, and also you can link your account to Google, Apple, MetaMask wallet, and YouTube account. We choose the manual option and click on the create account. We will receive a confirmation code in our email. Go to your email and then choose Dex-Trade. You copy the code and paste the code in this section. We will enter the login section, which we have to enter our email and our password. If you wish to log in automatically next time, you can check this box and click on login. We enter the dashboard section. Our account has been created. Good luck.